In the ever-evolving field of construction, technological advancements continue to redefine the way we build. One such innovation that has gained substantial traction is the automatic Purlin metal forming machine. This cutting-edge equipment has revolutionized the process of manufacturing C-shaped purlins, offering a plethora of advantages that significantly impact the efficiency, quality, and sustainability of construction projects. The automatic Purlin metal forming machine is a testament to precision engineering. It consistently produces C-shaped purlins with impeccable accuracy and uniformity. This level of precision minimizes errors during installation and ensures seamless compatibility with other structural elements, resulting in a more stable and durable construction.